Hello viewers, welcome back to Shamzmedia, and today I would like to show you how you can be able to control your PC using your smartphone. Without wasting much of our time, let's get down to the business of today. Alright, first and foremost, what I would like you to do is to connect your phone and your PC to the same internet, right? And then once you do that, there's this software we'll be using. It is called, this is the software that we'll be using. Yes, this is the software that we'll be using today. It is called AnyDesk, right? AnyDesk. So in this software, what I want you to do is to head down to your after downloading this software in your system, your PC, head down to your phone and then search for AnyDesk. From your Chrome, from your Play Store, download it and then open it. Right now that your PC is showing something like this, it said this is your address. So and then once you download it on your phone, it's going to be showing something like this. This is your address. If you impute this address on your phone to the system, that means your phone will be your system will be controlling your phone. So now for you to control your system using your smartphone, you have to get the key, the address from your PC. All right, let's impute it 10 20 37 2380. So this is it. Let's see. Now what you need to do is to click connect, and then immediately once you see that you have a stable network, you will see that yes, your system is asking for permission. Then you click on OK. Immediately you see that your phone is now having access to your PC. So anything you do with your PC now, your phone is in charge. So you see now, rolling on my mouse, you see now, so you see my phone is in charge of PC now. So I can go down here and click on vmix using my phone. So you see, yes, then can also move this to my OBS and click on OBS using my phone. Sorry, click on OBS. So you see OBS is loading. I scroll and then click normal. So you see, so you can close it, and then any other thing you want to do, your phone is in charge of it, right? You can go as far as 20 to 8 meters away from your system once you have a stable network. So from here now you can be able to be switching. You can be able to do a lot of things. All right, this is what I brought for you today. This is an update. I remain Zaka Shamaki, the CEO of Shamzmedia Academy. So if there's any update, I'll be bringing more updates for you. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you.